everyone, this is Jen at Scrapping Posh, and I'm here with my Country Craft Creation Design Team project. And this is the March-April project, so I'm just a tiny bit late, but it is a rather large project, and this is going to be my final tutorial for this term of my Country Craft Creations Design Team participation. I do have a couple other share videos coming up with this paper collection. I'm going to make a banner, and then I'm going to make my mini book like the Disney one I did, but it's going to be for a signing book at a baby shower. So this is a like jewelry chest, and it is made out of all chipboard, and there is going to be a tutorial on this, so this will be my final tutorial for Country Craft Creations. And then in May I also have my craft room share going up, so I wanted to go out with a bang and in good standing. I have some things like personally that I want to work on, and hopefully I can be back in full swing craft mode extremely soon, and be able to participate in more. So I'm still crafting. I will still put up videos. They're just not going to be as consistent. I was putting up around 3 to 4 videos a week, and I won't be able to do that, unfortunately. So just take a little bit of time to do some healthy stuff for me. So this box is a big box. Like I said, it's all chipboard with some hardware, and then of course some decorations and the paper. This paper line is I'll just pull out one of the cut aparts, Echo Park Mermaid Dreams. If it's still available, I will link it. If it's not available, I will link just Echo Park paper in general from Country Craft Creations. And then these flowers are from Prima's Moonchild. So a little bit of different stuff, and it may take me a little while to edit the tutorial, so please be patient with me. And this weekend is prom weekend, you guys, so my daughter is busy, and which means I am busy. So yes, thank you. Let's see, the bottom part measures 5 inches and the top part measures a little over, well, it measures about 3 inches, so it's 8 inches tall by 6 inches by 4 inches. It has 3 drawers. I'm going to put you up like this. It has 3 drawers. 1, 2, 3. And these drawers are painted on the inside with a acrylic mousse, something that I got on sale at my local craft store. It has like a sand texture to it, so I thought it would, be perfect for the Mermaid Dreams. And then this is from the chipboard. You open it up, chipboard, there's a magnet under here, but my magnets don't touch. You can see that. They're a bit apart, so. And you'll have that. The drawer pulls are just round beads. This one is just an antique. I think I got that from a wood crafting place. The bottom's plain. On the back I put one of the 4x4 cut aparts. Look at all this stuff, isn't it neat? Which I thought was cute for a jewelry box. And then you open it up, and I did, excuse the mirror, but I did this, I thought was neat, glossy accents with the sequins and some flat back stars. They reminded me of starfish. And I didn't tape this because I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but literally I took my glossy accents, which the tip is clogged in this one, and I poured it in there. I spread it out, and I put the sequins, I just spread the sequins out. I poured some more glossy accents in there and just kind of pushed it down, pushed the sequins down in. And that gave you, it's kind of like, it already looks like there's treasure in there, so I thought that was neat. And then, again, sorry for the glare of the mirror. I had these little mirror pieces in my stash for like ever, and it gives it a kind of a wonky look because I did not measure. I did not make sure that there was the correct spacing or that they were straight or anything. I just kind of stuck them on there. I thought it was kind of, you know, like princess-like, but still like not, like still kid-like. But the one thing I would say about the mirrors is that you'd have to watch them because I did not put anything around the sides of them. Perhaps if I would have put like some hot glue or something around them, there are some sharp edges there, so too little would not be good with this, but it can always be covered. You can always take these are just hot glued on flat back pearls or flat back beads, flat back, and then one of the chipboards. And then this opens up for a secret compartment. And I show in my video, and this is the size book that I'm going to do, and this I have a tutorial for this. It's super easy. This is going to go right in here. Of course you can put anything you want in there, and this is magnetized, but that fits in there so that you have a little secret compartment. So if you have any questions, please let me know. The tutorial will be up, just be a few days. I will get all these projects done by the end of May. It'll put me about, it'll put me a little bit, you know, I'd be a month behind because they were due in April. And yeah, my craft room tour, so if anybody's interested in seeing what my space looks like, just hang on out. Please like and subscribe. I'm not going to be as active on YouTube, but I will be here at least once a week. So I appreciate everybody, and I hope everybody has a great and wonderful day. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.